So let's say you want to go ahead and collect out likes and dislikes inside of Jotform. So to do that, you can actually use a widget. So you can go to widget right here and then type in like right here. And like and dislike is an option, as you can see. Simply click and then you can see that there's a question. So I'm just going to go around and say survey right here on the title. And here I'm going to say, do you like our service right here? Just like this. So let's just go around and type this in and then go to widget. So you can see that I can change around the skin color as well as I want right here. And then what happens is that that particular skin color will be displayed. You can enable the display of total as well. So you can say yes so that everyone can see it, or no if you don't want others to see it. Let's just click on yes and then click on update right here. And once I do that, let me just go ahead and then open this form in a new tab to see actually fill out the service right here. So I'm just going to like this out and click on submit right here, just like this. And it says thank you. Let's fill again right now. So once you do that, what happens is that you can see one like. So if I were to click on it again and submit, you can see there's 2 likes. So if others were to go ahead and click right here and submit, it's like a voting on how many people like it and not right here. And you can actually see the numbers as well. You can say no right here. Let's say if you dislike it, then if you were to refill it, this is what you have. Well, let me just go around over here onto the build and then go around onto widget setting and not show the totals and update it out. So once you do that and refresh out the form, let's see what happens. You don't see the like or dislike. You can choose, but the count itself will just be visible to you in that case. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the like and dislike widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.